Welcome to Aurora Chemistry for everyone. In this video, let us analyze molecular geometry of SO2 sulfur dioxide molecule based on VS-EPR theory. According to VS-EPR theory, the molecular geometry of a molecule depends upon bonded and non-bonded electron pair around the central atom. To find that bonded and non-bonded electrons, we need to find their total electron pair, bond pair and lone pair of electrons around the central atom. Here you can see the formula for total electron pair is equal to half into Vc plus TMC. Vc valence electron of central atom, TMC total monovalent atom attached to the central atom. In SO2 sulfur dioxide molecule, always less electronegative atom take the position of the central atom. When compared to the oxygen, sulfur electronegativity is very less, so it is a central atom in SO2 molecule. So that atomic number of sulfur is 16, its valence electron 6. So let us find the total electron pair. Half into, so valence electron of sulfur 6 plus total monovalent attached to the central atom. Here you should be very careful. Here this oxygen is divalent atom, so we are not counting. So here we are taking for total monovalent atom, we are considering like 0. So 6 by 2, we will get 3 total electron pair in SO2 molecule. Now let us go to find out that bond pair. So bond pair is equal to total atom attached to the central atom. Total atoms, so it may be that monovalent, divalent, trivalent or tetravalent. So the total atoms attached to the sulfur atom is here 2. So total bond pair 2. Now we can find out that lone pair. Once if we know the total electron pair and bond pair, using this formula we can find that lone pair. Total electron pair minus bond pair. Already we have that 3 total electron pair and bond pair 2. So 3 minus 2, 1 lone pair is present in that SO2 molecule. Once we got that total electron pair and bond pair and lone pair, next we go to find out that molecular type. Look at the table here. If that number of bond pair is 2 and number of lone pair is 1, then the molecular type is AB2L. Then the electron pair arrangement is trigonal planar, but that molecular geometry is bent. So the molecular type is AB2L. A stands for central atom and B stands for atom attached to the central atom, and that L stands for lone pair electrons. So that electron pair arrangement is trigonal planar. So first let us draw the skeletal trigonal planar structure. In trigonal planar, the bond angle is 120 degree. So that we can draw this way, and the central atom should take the central position. So that here the central atom is sulfur. So let us draw that sulfur and then one lone pair. So this is the one lone pair, and then 2 we have that oxygen atom. So we write 2 oxygen atom. So an atom. Actually, in the Lewis dot structure, you can see that there are 2 double bond between sulfur and oxygen. So this is the Lewis dot structure. But according to that VS-EPR theory, even that multiple bond also we are considering like a single electron pair. So that means 1, 2, 3. So total electron pair 3. So don't get any confusion with that Lewis dot structure and VS-EPR theory. In SO2 molecule, we have that one lone pair. Lone pair bond pair repulsion is greater than bond pair repulsion. So to reduce the repulsion, in SO2 molecule, the bond angle from 120 degree is reduced to 119.5 degree in SO2 molecule. So let us draw that once again, that the structure. So sulfur, then we have that one lone pair, and we have the 2 oxygen atoms. So the bond angle is reduced to now 119.5 5 degree. So electron pair arrangement, the shape of that electron pair arrangement is trigonal planar, but due to one lone pair electron, this shape is now bent. So in SO2 molecule, the type is Ab2L and the total electron pair around the central atom 3 and the bond pair 2, lone pair only 1. Expected geometry is trigonal planar, but due to one lone pair electron, actual geometry is bent. Thanks for watching.